Winter is a very dry season. The optimal indoor temperature in winter is 22 degrees and humidity is 60%. Are you concerned about using a humidifier though? Now, you have nothing to be worried about with our new wireless humidifier, the 3H Wireless Humidifier. Compact, simple, and germ-free 3H Wireless Humidifier. By using an ultrasonic vibrator, vigorous ultra up and down motion increases spraying power and improves functionality. Compact but strong, 3H Wireless Humidifier. The 3H Wireless Humidifier can be completely disassembled. It's easy to take each component apart, so it's convenient to wash thoroughly, just like the dishes. When operating for more than 3 hours, it will automatically switch off. You don't need to turn on the actual switch. You can use it just by putting it on a wireless charging pad. Its compact design fits well anywhere. The 3H Wireless Humidifier has great functions and design. It's small and more convenient, a humidifier that adapts to your lifestyle. This is a new technology that will make your life easier. Have a warm and cozy winter with our 3H Wireless Humidifier.